Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically store more in your ATM, in your I don't know, card if it's over the weekly deposit amount. So go to either the laundromat or the car wash to store your money here. So I'm going to select manage business and I'm going to select launder. I'm going to select the maximum and then press confirm. And that's pretty much it. If you have the over weekly deposit. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.